Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and opening settings now. Make sure your iPad supports Touch ID and is running the latest iPad OS. This avoids software conflicts. Once done, verify you remember your device passcode because the system will ask for it. Next, wash and dry the finger you'll register so sensors read consistently. Now tap Settings, then Touch ID and passcode to start enrollment. This gets you right into the steps that register your fingerprint. You'll enter your passcode and tap Add a fingerprint to begin. Hold the Home button or Top button as instructed and place the same finger lightly, lifting and resting when prompted. This captures multiple angles. Make sure to rotate the finger a bit during the process to record edges and center for reliability. If the iPad asks to adjust your grip, follow the prompts. This increases success unlocking with partial touches. Once the progress completes, the fingerprint will appear in the list. You'll now choose what Touch ID will unlock. Enable iPad Unlock and any other services you prefer. Test it by locking the device and using the registered finger. Try app purchases or Apple Pay to confirm. If recognition is inconsistent, delete and re-enroll the finger or register an alternate finger for backups. When problems persist, clean the sensor and your finger, reboot the iPad, then retry enrollment. These steps resolve most issues and get Touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.